Araro, ariraro.
அம்மா ஒரு கதை சொல்லு.
Radhe Krishna. How to offer prasad to Bhagavan? We have heard a few stories, a few very interesting stories that explain us as to how to offer prasad to Bhagavan. Now, let us see one more incident. This time, it will be different. Indeed, very different. We know and we have seen that generally mothers or elders offer prasad to Bhagavan and they follow a procedure through which they do it. Now, what if a child does it? How will he do it? Or to say, how should he do it? How should he offer prasad to Bhagavan? Let us see how one child, one 5-year-old child, does it. Do you want to know the name of the child? Are you curious? Yes, even I am. The child's name is Namdev. Yeah, the great Sant Namdev. He was a great devotee of Vitthal, Pandarinath, ever since he was a child. So this incident happens when he was 5 years old. His father used to do puja at Lord Vittal's temple. So once he concludes his puja, he offers prasad to Vittal. Then he comes back home and does his daily chores. Now this Bhai Namdev knows that his father has been doing it since a long time. He has accompanied his father to the temple many times and he has seen that his father has always been very sincere in doing puja and also offering prasad to Bhagavan. His father used to say many shlokas, then do abhishek of the Bhagavan and then offer him the prasad with true devotion. It so happened that once Namdev's father had to go out on an emergency. So he called out to his son, Namdev, Namdev, come here. Namdev came to his father running and he said, Dad, did you call me? To this his father replied, Yes, Namdev, I am supposed to go out of the city for an emergency. So I want you to do something very important. Namdev said, Dad, are you going to give me a role that is very important? Namdev's dad replied, Yes, Namdev, I am. And I know that you will do this with full sincerity and I believe in you. Namdev was overjoyed. He asked his father, Dad, what do you want me to do? Namdev's dad replied, Since I am going out for today, I want you to go to the temple and offer prasad to the Bhagavan. I want you to offer prasad to Vittal, Vittala Panduranga. Namdev was overjoyed. because for Namdev, Vittal was his friend. He was his God. Of course, he was devoted to him. But more than that, he loved Vittala a lot. Vittal was his best friend. So, Namdev told his dad, "Yes, Dad, I will do it for sure." Namdev's dad was very happy and he left for his work. Now, Namdev went to his mom and said, "Mom, do you know what Dad just told me? He told me to go to the temple and offer prasad to Vittal, offer prasad to Bhagavan." Namdev's mother, knowing this, said, "Yes, Namdev, I heard your dad saying this to you. I have prepared the prasad, and now in another 5 to 10 minutes you can take your bath and then take the prasad to the temple." Namdev happily rushed, took his bath, put on his clothes, and came back to his mom. He said, "Mom, I am ready. You can give me the prasad. I will take it to the temple and do as Dad had told me." Namdev's mother gave him the prasad and again told him, "Namdev, be very sincere and devoted when you offer prasad to Bhagavan and make sure that he accepts your prasad." Then he left for the temple and reached the temple. Now he kept all the prasad in front of Vittal and started praying. He chanted what all shlokas he knew, and then he started chanting Vittala's name. Vittala, 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 Vittala. He said, "Pundarinath Maharaj ki Jai." After saying this, he said, "Vittala, see, I have brought this prasad for you. Now I request you to come and accept this prasad. I want you to come and take this prasad." Once he said this, he was waiting. He was waiting for Vittal to come and eat the prasad. But Vittala was in the form of an idol. He did not come down and take the prasad. Namdev was curious. He said, "Vittala, I am waiting for some time. I have told my shlokas and I have chanted your name. I have invited you to have your prasad. Why don't you come and have it? Aren't you hungry?" To this also he did not get any reply. He was waiting. He thought Vittala was playing a game. He was playing hide and seek. So Namdev waited patiently. Time passed by. He said, "Vittala, the food that my mom prepared is very tasty and yummy. Don't take so much time. Just come here quickly and have the prasad." He did not see anything. He did not see Vittal coming down and having the prasad. Now he was getting scared. He thought, "Oh, am I missing something? Maybe Dad would do some other thing or procedure and then only maybe Vittala will come. I think so. I am missing on that." He said, "Vittala, I am really sorry if I have missed anything. I am really sorry. I know only this. I know a few shlokas which I have recited and I know to chant your name. I have done both of them. I can do more chanting, but I request you to come and take the prasad." Now Vittala did not come and Namdev started crying. He was feeling very bad that Vittala was not coming and eating the prasad. He said, "Vittala, please come. It has been a long time. I have been waiting for you. Even I have started feeling hungry. Once you have your prasad, I can go home, tell my mom that I have offered you the prasad, and then have my food as well. Now, why don't you come?" He's getting no reply. Now Namdev became adamant and stubborn, but in the right way, of course. He said, Vitala, I want you to come and have your prasad. You will also be hungry. I don't know if I am missing on something, but you will be hungry. So I want you to come and have your food immediately. When Vitala did not come, Namdev said, Vitala, I'm not going to let you be like this. You have to come. You have to come and have your food. Saying this, he started chanting vigorously. Vittala, 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 Vittala. He started crying. And at one stage, he started banging on the feet of Vitala. He said, Please, Vitala, come and have your prasad. Please, Vitala, come and have your prasad. Now, Vitala, who was seeing this since a long time, decided that he will take his original form and come in front of this child. Vitala appeared in his original form, the beautiful, the charming, the enchanting, the handsome Vitala came in front of Namdev and with his mesmerizing voice said, Namdev, I am here. Now Namdev, who was crying and chanting simultaneously, looked up and saw Vitala in his divine form. He said, Vitala, finally you came. Oh my God, I was waiting for you since a long time. Come on, now sit down and have your food. Vitala was very happy. He thought, how pure this child's heart is. He wants me to have the prasad, and for that he is crying and chanting my name. Now he is a true devotee, and I will bless him. I will take the prasad which he has brought for him. Saying so, Vitala started taking the prasad with his own hands and started eating it. Now Namdev was relieved and happy. He asked, Vitala, do you like the prasad? Do you like the tasty prasad which my mother made? To this, Vitala said, Yes, Namdev, of course, I liked it. Your mom has prepared it very well, and more than everything, you have offered me with so much of love and affection that I just loved it. Vittal said, Come on, Namdev, you can also have some. And he fed Namdev with his own hands. After some time, Namdev said, Okay, Vitala, thank you. Thanks for coming and accepting the prasad. And he did pranams to Vitala. Then Vittal said, Okay, Namdev, I have had my prasad. Now I'll take a leave. Namdev also took all the plates and utensils in which he bought the prasad and started returning home. When he returned home, he narrated all the incidents to his mom. She could not believe it. She has never heard of something like this from her husband. So when Namdev's father returned, they both narrated the whole incident to him. Namdev's father and mother were awestruck. They could not believe the whole incident. So they said, Namdev, would you like to offer prasad to Vitala tomorrow also? Namdev said, Of course. Then they gave prasad to Namdev the next day and asked him to offer the prasad to Vitala. So when Namdev went to the temple, they silently followed him and standing behind the pillars tried to see what was happening. The same thing happened. Initially, Vitala took some time to come and waited and enjoyed Namdev's love, devotion, and chanting, and then appeared and started taking his prasad. Namdev was very happy as well. He said, Vitala, why are you always playing and making me wait? To this, Vittal replied, Yes, Namdev, I was just enjoying the love and affection which you were showering on me. That was why it took some time for me to come. But I liked the confidence and belief which you had on me. You knew that I would definitely come and you waited for me. So here I am. Namdev's parents were seeing all this from behind the pillar. They had tears in their eyes. They were very happy and thankful to Vitala for having given his darshan to Namdev. They prayed to him and bowed in front of him and told him that Vitala, this boy Namdev is your child and he is your devotee. Please bless him always. After saying so, they left for their home. After spending some time with Vitala, Namdev also went back home. So, this is yet another way as to how devoted we should be when we offer prasad to the Lord. Bhagavan. Namdev's trust, belief, and chanting made sure that he had the darshan of Vitala, and Vitala also accepted his prasad. Now I am sure we all will be doing the same. We will offer prasad to Bhagavan with love and affection and believe and have faith that he will come and accept our prasad. Radhe Krishna. जय बोलो पंडरीनाथ महाराज की जय. राधे कृष्णा.